Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Today we're gonna make fried Oreos.
I got your Oreos.
Okay, show them the pancake mix. Yes. Alright, pour it out in the bowl. Open it. Good girl. Everything. Good job. Throw it in. Throw in the oil. Yes. Good girl. Go fry the egg. Alright. Open it. Open it. It open? Take it out. Take your time. So a little bit first. Alright, stop. No. Mix. I said, this is how you mix it. Say that.
I mix it.
You mix it. Alright, you finish now?
Yeah.
Not mixing it? You tasting it?
I sold.
It's good? Mix it more.
Mix.
Alright, put that aside. This is the plate with the Oreos. So we're gonna dip the Oreos in the pancake mix, right? Right? Not yet. We're gonna dip the Oreos in the pancake mix, right? And we're gonna fry them, okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Come. Dip the Oreos in it. Drop it now. Don't use your hand. Take out your hand. Cover it.
Yum.
You're so greedy. Guys, welcome back to our channel. You already know it's your girl Momo and your girl
Kitty.
and we're back with another video. So as you can see by that title, today we're gonna be doing fried. Yes. So gonna give this a taste test to see how good it tastes. Yes, so I grade it out of 10. So some of them be kind of burn, guys. Like you never know how hot the fire could be. So some of them kind of burn, but I'm gonna taste the one them when I'm kind of burn. To get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell to see whenever we upload another video.
This one.
We don't want to get a burn one. This one. But that kind of burnish. That kind of burnish. Put that one. Alright. Don't taste it yet. Wait on me. Okay. This is how it's looking. Oreos inside, so let's see. After 3, 1. Wait, guys. And I know she don't like because she don't really like pancake like that, but we use food. Maybe she really likes the kind of Oreos in there. So come, you're gonna taste it after 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. It's nice. And the Oreo gets soft too. Tastes like a nice little sandwich cake, you know?
Alright. Here.
If you say she are eating, that means it's nice because she don't eat pancakes. It's good. You like it? Soda. Have this nice little creamy type cakey like. How much are you? What's that thing? I can't eat too much of this because it's too sweet, but it's really good, guys. I like it. I like my Oreos them soft, so I like it. But yeah, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and in the comment below let me know what next you could try. Cause I'm up to anything. African food, Indian food, I want to try everything, guys. So this was a 10 out of 10. It never bad, yeah. Maybe 10 out of 10, right? And yes, she eats it up, so you know it's good. So, but me not like the whole sweet thing. So yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Wow.
You ready to do some here? You ready some here? Come here. Come. Wait to see me a hand while I go. You don't know what I mean by come here? Ready? Okay, I'm gonna do it. You have to hold it. Hold it. Hold it straight, so I'm going.